demonstration here today. Lieutenant Adam Spencer is the aircraft commander. He's from Clearwater, Florida. Lieutenant Jason Evans from Roanoke, Virginia, the co-pilot. The flight mechanic, Petty Officer Lee Forsblum from Little Rock, Arkansas. And our swimmer today is Rob Morgan from Martinsville, Virginia. Watch now as they hover the big MH-60 right out in front of you. He's going to do what we call a pedal turn out there. He's going to hold his position right over a spot of the ocean, and using the rubber pedals, he's going to turn that big MH-60. And there goes our jumper, our swimmer, Rob Morgan from Martinsville, Virginia. Simulating a full rescue here. We're going to do it twice for you because we've got a boat standing by. We're going to do one like you see here, and then one as they recover over the boat. The swimmers in the water are the person rescuers in the water. Now you'll see the horse come down. The basket recovery from that big MH-60 Jayhawk helicopter from Air Station Elizabeth City, North Carolina. Aircraft Commander Adam Spencer holding it perfectly level and perfectly still over that person in the water. And there you saw our swimmer Rob Morgan from Martinsville, Virginia, jump into the water to rescue that person. Lieutenant Adam Spencer, assisted by Lieutenant Jason Evans, will hold that helicopter right above the party needing rescue. And then Rob Morgan will swim over, ensure that the person is safe. Then the basket will be lowered. Let's see if we're just going to do a hoist play today. But notice how perfectly still they can hold that helicopter over the defined area. There you saw the signal going up to the helicopter. The swimmer Rob Morgan is ready. There's the hoist now. It's not going to be a basket lift. It's going to be just a straight winch lift today. You can see the dangling harness that will go around the swimmer and the rescuee. Once he is safely attached to that harness, then he'll begin to winch him forward with an electrical arm sticking out from the open door. Makes a 360-degree circle and aligns itself directly behind the boat and then approaches it for the basket delivery. 47-foot boat underway. Now watch as Lieutenant Adam Spencer, Lieutenant J.G. Jason Evans prepare to bring the helicopter up and hover over the moving boat, and then they're going to do a basket delivery.
Probably lower the basket. Yeah.
In this instance, Lieutenant Spencer has to kind of fly sideways. As you can see, he's on about a 45-degree angle over the stern of that 47-foot boat. Station keeping. Helicopter pilot sits on the right side versus the left side for a commercial airliner or civilian aircraft. You notice perfect station keeping exactly above the 47-foot boat. Basket going up. Sea spray being blown by that big 49-foot rotor on top of the MH-60K hot helicopter around the stern of the 47-foot Coast Guard helicopter. Nice demonstration. Coming up next, the Yak attack. It's a formation airman team flying the Eastern Bloc military aircraft. Led by Daniel Fortin from Montreal, Canada, flying his Chinese CJ-6A Nanching. And on the right wing is Charlie Lynch from Greenwich, Connecticut, flying his Japanese Yak 52 tail wheel. It's painted like a Japanese zero. On the left wing, the local boy from Eastern Maryland, Sweet Gulf, flying the world's first Yak 52 tail wheel. There goes the Coast Guard, ladies and gentlemen. MH-60 47-foot cover-up. Park Place Jewelers, a sponsor of OC Airshow, home of the original OC hook bracelet, available in both gold and silver. They're located between 2nd and 3rd Street at Orr's. Thousands of sea life and nautical charms, beautiful gemstones, and sparkling diamonds. Designer jewelry and one-of-a-kind pieces. Visit Park Place Jewelers, 2nd and 3rd on the board. In the No Roller Pizza and Pancakes, another one of our proud sponsors here. They're located at 3rd and Boardwalk, just a short walk down the boardwalk. Drop by for pizza and pancakes at the Dough Roller for Ocean City.